How to change your profile picture in Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through how we can change our profile picture in Snapchat. So let's begin with the process, but before that don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can change our profile picture, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. Launch your Snapchat application on your device. After that, you'll be able to see the home screen, which is the camera icon where you can click snaps and pictures. So let's just head over to our Bitmoji at the top left. That is your profile. Just click on it. And when you click on it, you'll be finding a profile of your Snapchat here. So in order to change our profile picture, you're going to head over to the public profile. If you don't have a public profile, just switch it up to the public profile. So after that is done, you will be able to find the pen icon at the top beside this bell icon. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be again finding this pen icon in this picture section. So just click on the picture. So just click on the pen icon and you'll be finding two options right below: delete existing photo and choose from library. Since we're changing our profile picture, we're just gonna tap on this choose from library. After that, select a picture that we want to change it into. After that, it will be available here instead of the profile picture that you have right now. So that's how you basically change your profile picture on your Snapchat. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.